What's up guys, Matt here, and today I'm going to be talking about Google AdWords and why it is one of the most powerful marketing platforms for home service companies today, and I'm going to help you understand why and how it works. I've literally built a mid-7-figure brand with Google AdWords being one of the core marketing sources, and so for me, I'm a huge believer, not just because I've heard about it or I know about it, but because I've actually done it and I've built real businesses off of it. And I own Service Industry Marketer, and Google AdWords management is one thing we do. And so we get to see literally hundreds of businesses that we've helped get transformed through Google AdWords. And the reason it is such a powerful platform is very, very simple. When you're marketing to people, you essentially have two different types of people. The first person is somebody with no or low intent. And what that means is they're not necessarily looking for you, your service, or your business. They're not thinking about you. And the second type of buyer is somebody who has high intent. And Google AdWords targets those high intent buyers, which is why it's such a powerful platform. Because I want you to look at it like this. If you're standing in a crowd of 100 people and they're all dead silent, and I told you, hey, I need you to go find the 5 people out of that 100 who want your service, who want you to perform your service in their house, it'd be very hard to do, right? Because A, they're not talking to you, they're not telling you where they live, how much money they make, what their interest is. But if I told you, hey, that group of 100 people out there that are talking, I want you to go find 5 of them who are interested in what you offer, and you screamed, hey, I offer house washing, I offer lawn care, who wants lawn care? And 5 people raise their hand, you could say, hey Matt, those 5 people want my service. Now it's kind of a cheesy analogy, but it's literally just like that. Google is exactly like that. People go on and they search for your service in their city, and you have the opportunity to literally say, pick me, right? And so Google AdWords can literally say, I perform window cleaning in Fenton, Michigan. So when that homeowner says, I'm looking for window cleaning in Fenton, Michigan on Google, you can pop up and say, pick me, pick me. Where things like direct mail and Facebook ads, although those are essential parts to a marketing campaign, it's a little bit more of a low intent style marketing, which means you're putting it in front of customers that don't know you, aren't necessarily thinking about needing you. And so you're hoping that by putting a postcard or running a Facebook ad and landing in front of a potential client that you can tell them or change their mind and say, hey, I need that, or you know, I've never thought of that, but maybe that's something we could use at our house. Where Google, they're already looking, they're already thinking they need your service, and that's why it's such a powerful platform. So for a real brief introduction on Google AdWords, there you go. That is why it's powerful. It's high intent buyers on there, and it's easy to show up in front of them if you have the right strategy. If you have any Google AdWords questions, hit me up, let me know, shoot me a DM or an email. All of our stuff is in the description below, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can get more marketing tips for your home service business.